The ZeroWater 12-cup ready-pour 5-stage water filter pitcher is a remarkable product that revolutionizes the taste and quality of tap water. As an experienced product marketing expert, I would like to share my thoughts on this number 5 product without a title. This water filter pitcher, manufactured by ZeroWater, stands out from its competitors due to its superior filtration technology. With its 5-stage filtration process, it effectively removes impurities, ensuring that you enjoy clean and great-tasting water. One of the standout features of this product is its change filter indicator. This feature alerts you when it's time to replace the filter, ensuring that you always have access to the cleanest water. In addition, the ZeroWater 12-cup ready-pour pitcher is IAPMO certified, guaranteeing its high-quality performance. Another advantage of this water filter pitcher is its compatibility with ZeroWater replacement filters. This means that you can easily find replacement filters when needed,